Here we will see working of data visualization. Data visualization works by translating complex data sets into visual representations like charts, graphs and maps. Data visualization allows users to easily identify patterns, trends and outliers within the information through visual clues like color, size and shapes, which makes it significantly easier to understand and interpret data compared with the raw numerical data. Data visualization transforms numbers into visual story that can be readily grasped by the human eye. Different steps in data visualization process are: first, define the goal, then collect the data for that goal, then clean the data, select the data visuals and create the data visuals. First is defining the goal. You can define a data visualization goal by identifying questions that your existing datasets can potentially answer. A clear goal of data visualization helps to determine the data that you use, analysis that you can do, and visuals you can use to communicate your findings effectively. For example, a retailer may seek to understand which type of product packing gets the most sales. Then collecting the data. Data collection involves identifying internal and external data sources. There are massive datasets available online for purchase and use. Your company may also have existing data available for analytics. For example, you could collect a historical sales volume, marketing campaigns, and product packaging data to find the best packaging. Then cleaning the data. Data cleaning involves removing redundant data, performing mathematical operations for further analysis, or filtering and uncovering data to meet the question criteria. For instance, you may remove sales volume data from holiday months and after marketing campaigns to identify average sales by packaging type. Then select the data visuals. You can choose from several different chart types for efficient visual discovery. Relationships between the data points and the insights you want to communicate will determine the best graphical representation. For example, you may use a bar graph to represent packaging sales by color in the last month. However, a pie chart may be better suited to show percentage of colored packaging in your inventory. There are two main types of data visualizations. One is static visualization. A static visualization provides only a single view of specific data story. An infographic is an example of static visualization. And then interactive visualization. Interactive visualization allows users to interact with graphs and charts. Viewers can change variables in visualization parameter to find new insights or access in-depth information. Data visualization software typically includes a dashboard for user interaction with the system. Then create your data visuals. You can create the data visuals that you need by using data visualization tools. Most tools import your final data set and automatically generate the required reports. Some design principles for effective data visualization include: draw audience attentions to import details using size, colors, fonts and graphics. Provide context to data using visual clues. Choose the right color combinations. Use explanatory titles to provide key insights to the audience and help them focus on the right questions. And add clear labels and numbers. Some of the examples of data visualizations are: data science. Data scientists and researchers have access to libraries using programming languages or tools such as Python or R, which they can use to understand and identify patterns in datasets. Tools help these data professionals work more efficiently by coding research with colors, plot, line and shapes. Then marketing. Tracking data such as web traffic and social media analytics can help marketers to analyze how customers find their products and whether they are early adopters or more lagged buyers. Charts and graphs can synthesize data for marketers and stakeholders for better understand these trends. Then finance. Investors and advisors focused on buying and selling stocks, bonds, dividends and other commodities will analyze the movement of price over time to determine which are worth purchasing for short or long-term periods. Line graphs help financial analytics to visualize this data, which toggles between months, years and even decades. Next is health policy. Policymakers can use choropleth maps, which are divided by geographical area by colors. For example, they can use these maps to demonstrate the mortality rates of cancer or Ebola in different parts of the world.